The final dream. You are Cristiano Ronaldo. The year is 2026. You walk into the World Cup as a living legend. You have won trophies. You have broken records. You have heard millions of fans chant your name. But one dream is still missing. The World Cup. For most players, this tournament is a dream. For you, it feels like one final mission. Every camera is watching you. Every fan is waiting. Every critic is asking the same question. Can Ronaldo still do it? You hear the noise, but you do not answer with words. You answer by walking forward. Before the legend. Before the lights. Before the fame. Before the number 7 became a global symbol, you were just a boy from Madeira. A small island. A simple home. A family with very little money. But your dream was never small. Football was not just a game. It was your escape. It was your hope. It was the reason you kept moving. You trained when others rested. You ran when others stopped. You believed before anyone believed in you. And deep inside, that boy is still there. Still hungry. Still fighting. Still dreaming. The weight of greatness. Being Cristiano Ronaldo is not easy. People see the goals. They see the trophies. They see the celebration. But they do not see the pressure. If you score, they say it is normal. If you miss, the whole world talks about it. If you win, they ask for more. If you lose, they say your time is over. At this World Cup, every touch matters. Every mistake becomes news. Every silence becomes a question. You are not only fighting opponents, you are fighting age. You are fighting doubt. You are fighting time itself. Portugal needs you. Inside the locker room, the younger players look at you. Some of them grew up watching your goals. Some copied your celebration as children. Some dreamed of wearing the same shirt as you. Now they are your teammates. And they are waiting for you to lead them. You look around the room. You do not see fear. You see belief. You do not need to speak loudly. Your presence is enough. Your eyes tell them everything. This is not just another match. This is Portugal's dream, and you are still here to fight for it. The first match begins. The whistle blows. The World Cup begins. You take your first touch. The crowd explodes. For a moment, time slows down. You are older now. You do not run like the young Ronaldo anymore. But your mind is sharper. You wait. You read the game. You choose the perfect moment. One pass opens the defense. You move into space. The ball comes to you. The stadium holds its breath. You strike. The ball flies. The goalkeeper dives. And then, the net shakes. The world reacts. One goal changes everything. The stadium explodes. Your teammates run toward you. Fans scream your name. Phones light up across the world. Every screen shows the same moment. Ronaldo has scored again. And then, you do what the world has seen so many times. You run, you jump, you turn, you land. Sue, for a few seconds, the entire stadium belongs to you. The legend is still here. The hardest moment. But the World Cup is never easy. One bad pass. One mischance. One mistake. And suddenly, everything changes. The rain begins to fall. The crowd becomes quiet. Your body feels heavy. Your legs feel tired. For the first time, you ask yourself, can I still do this? The pressure is everywhere. The world is watching. Time is chasing you. But then, you remember Madeira. You remember the boy who had nothing. The boy who refused to quit. The boy who kept running when nobody was watching. Slowly, you lift your head. You breathe. You stand again. Because legends do not stop when it becomes painful. They continue because it is painful. The final message. Maybe you win the trophy. Maybe you do not. But by 2026, one thing is already clear. You did not become Cristiano Ronaldo because life was easy. You became Cristiano Ronaldo because you refused to stop. You turned pressure into discipline. You turned doubt into fuel. You turned pain into power. You turned a small island dream into a global legacy. And whether this is your final World Cup or not, the world will remember one thing. You were never just playing football. You were proving what belief can create. You were proving what sacrifice can create. You were proving what obsession can create. You are Cristiano Ronaldo. You are CR7. And the dream continues. The dream continues.